Hello friends, today we'll discuss about the AC voltage controllers. In this lecture, we will discuss about the operation of single phase full wave controllers with resistive load. So we will make a circuit diagram which will shows the full wave controllers with resistive load. So in this operation, we have seen that we are using two thyristors. In half wave controllers, we have used only one thyristor. Now we are using two thyristors, and both are conducts during positive half cycle and negative half cycles with firing angle of alpha. So we will see here the this circuit is feeding a resistive load. So when positive half supply is provided, so in this case the thyristor T1 will be conduct with firing angle alpha. So the current is flow from the resistive load through the thyristor T1. So we will make another switching diagram here which represent the conducting of the thyristor T1 and where load current is flow. So from this circuit we have seen that the T1 is conduct and T2 is reverse bias. So it will act as an open switch and T1 will act as a short circuit. So load current will flow through the resistive load and that current is I0. Now during next half cycle we will see here the during next half cycle when polarity is reverse. Now here will be negative, there will be positive. So this thyristor T1 will be off and T2 will be on, and the direction of load current will be now reverse of earlier direction. Now load current will be flow from this path. So both cycles the voltage is applied here in a resistive load. So average output voltage will be comes in the output of secondary winding of transformer, and that will be controlled in positive half cycle and negative half cycle. So we can find out here waveforms for output voltage where supply voltage will be given Vs. So from this waveform we can see here this is the across R. So at alpha the positive half cycle thyristor T1 will be conduct from alpha to pi, and during negative half cycle the thyristor T2 will conduct from pi plus alpha to 2 pi, this alpha. So in both cycles, positive and negative half cycles, we are getting the controlled output voltage, which is different from the half wave controllers where negative half cycles we are getting the fully uncontrolled output at negative half cycle due to diode. Now we are using two thyristors, so now we can find out the expression of average output voltage, and that will be, because of this waveform is symmetrical of each cycle, so we can take limit from uh, 0 to pi and alpha to pi, and we can take the time period is pi. So from this expression we can find out the integrate from alpha to pi Vm sine omega t into d omega t. So with this we can use some mathematics here. So the integration of sine omega t is minus cos omega t, and limit is alpha to pi, and here we can write Vm upon pi. So when we solve this expression, we will get a complete expression is Vm by pi 1 plus cos alpha. This is the average output voltage of single phase full wave controller with resistive load. So we will discuss about the RL load in our next lecture. Thank you.